There's a difference between my own and our own. I see some people making comments that even if they grade their normal state, they don't have the crude oil to survive. They don't have it. That would rather remain in Delta State. I just burst laugh. I will repeat again. I don't blame the politicians anymore. No, now. The leaders are not the problem. The people they are leading are the problem. How many northern states has crude oil? Why am I even going too far? How many years has the oil been in Delta? Can you point to a village that has benefited from the crude oil? Tell me one village in Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, those people that are strictly an oil producing state. Tell me one community, one village that has benefited directly from the crude oil. People are living in illusion. I rather remain in Delta State. Then somebody is now blaming Ned Nwoko that he's just a senator for 1 year. He has not done anything. He just wants to champion this one. You that have a governor in Delta State for 1 year, what has he done? You have a governor that is governing the whole state and there's money and allocation coming to him. What has the governor done for you with the money coming, allocation coming to the state for the last 1 year? People are just blaming people for trying to do something, but you are not blaming yourself for not seeing reasons. We don't perish in this country for lack of prayer. This is Sunday. Everybody dey church now, they pray. But Nigeria is going deep every day into poverty because it's not lack of prayer that make people perish. It's not lack of spiritual power that make people perish. It is lack of knowledge. We no get sense. Remember, I use the word we, meaning that I included myself, because even if I think I'm a wise man, the foolishness of the people in the society will drag me down for me and them to be in the same level. We don't get sense. We lack knowledge. We know they think. Say, Igbo people, the discrimination is too much. Every time you point finger to people, ndị banya asị na atọ ezi ya aka. Izie mmadụ aka na ya bụ nsogbu, atọ asị na you bụ nsogbu. Have you ever asked yourself, why did they start discriminating between you and them? Even my own father, they tell me say anya bụ na ndị Igbo. Always say, if you reach tomorrow, I will say na Igbo person. I tell me that. My own father, they tell me say I not be Igbo person. He say, why now? Why are they now bringing us now to be one Igbo? No. Is it not better now than never? Are you not Igbo? Is it not better now than never? You always want to blame people. You don't want to take responsibility of your actions. Not be my people, deny them in the Biafran war. Didn't they still kill you as an Igbo person? What was the reason why you people start discriminating? The story they told you that you migrated from Benin, and they turned it to the center, and you accepted it, and be using it and rub it on them that you are not Igbo, that you came from Benin. Why wouldn't they say that you are not Igbo too? They are begging you. They should be begging you. That's why I like those Igbo men in the East. If they tell you something you don't want to do, they will move you out now. They tell you, say, Igbo. You say, no, you're not Igbo. Your name is Igbo. You don't speak Igbo. You say, no, na dialect. Do you know that nobody in Lagos has ever ruled Lagos State? Do you know the discrimination against the real Lagosians? Nobody from Lagos has ever ruled Lagos State. Go and ask, go and check. If you go to the State House of Assembly, you will hardly even find a real Lagosian occupying that position. Go and check. Go and check. Because when they say Lagos is no man's land, they are saying an Igbo man talk am. Even by their actions and they're not proving it, has any Lagosians ever ruled Lagos? And their language, their dialect is not like the real Yoruba. Just like you now saying your dialect is different from the Igbos. But they never, for when they come and claim, say they no be Yoruba. The real discrimination is happening in Lagos alone as Lagos develop rich. And you are here. You will not get left and right. Go there. They say two wrongs never make right. Even if they discriminate you, what have you done to prove them wrong? They are the one wrong. You are even the one trying to spoil it more because you want to prove to them ego and pride. You want to prove to them you are better. Is there any Anioma village that is developed more than any village in Anambra or in Enugu or in Imo State? Can you both say, because you are denying that you are not Igbo, you are better than them? Can you do that? I'm out of here, Joe.